tap on new project and add the video that you want. First, I mute the video. As you can see, that's so simple. Then in toolbar, I find the icon duplicate, and after that overlay, so it makes the capcut to move the layer from main track to overlay. Add a video or the object that I wanted to be behind the person. Here I blend it to dodge, and then I select the person's layer, and in toolbar I find the remove background, then auto removal, and wait for the effect to be applied. Alright, so here as you can see, the object that I wanted to be behind the person is on top. So in toolbar I find the layer icon, then I tap on number 1, so it's behind the person. Now I add keyframe and make it smaller. This is optional, as you can see, and after 2 or 3 seconds I increase the size. After 2 seconds I rotate it. And here I want to trim the extra part of the object, so I go to the end of the clip, then I split the rest and delete it. Alright, so now we have this. I want to add some rotation, so I add keyframe and make some rotation. So we have this. It was so easy, but here I want to add something. If you want to add a text behind the person, it's a little different. So you add a text that you want, type something and make some changes in style and font and everything. And after that I will tell you what you should do. Okay, now I add a keyframe at the beginning of the text layer, make it smaller. After a while, I make the text larger, and this is so optional. This is just for the test, and as you can see, after a second or maybe less than that, I resize the text. So we have this. Alright, so now you should export it, because in CapCut you cannot put the text layer behind another layer. It's always on top. So here, new project, add the video that you just made with text, and as an overlay you add the main video of the person. Here in toolbar you should find the basic, then basic you go to scale tab and increase the number to 100. In toolbar find remove background, then auto removal, and click OK. So you have this. That's it. That was so easy. This is Saranvi channel, where you will learn every detail about photo and video editing. So subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Leave me a comment so I could get what else you want me to make just for you. Like always, I wish you the best and peace together.